Hello, my friends, how are you? Well, today is pajama day, and I'm here with my best pajama. I just rolled out of bed and with my slimy stuffy. And today, together, we are going to teach you how to draw an owl because guess what, my friend? We are the golden owls. So, all you need is a piece of paper and a pencil or maybe some crayons or like anything to write. I personally will do it on my whiteboard here. And I have my expo marker and I'm gonna do a green owl because we are the golden owls. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to draw a giant U. Uppercase U, giant U. Like this. Giant one. Like a big uppercase U. Can you see the U? Yoo-hoo. Oh, like this. Yoo-hoo. Okay. Now I'm going to start here, up left. Doesn't really matter if you start up left or up right. And I'm going to connect the two dots here with a curvy line. So I'm going to do a curvy line like this. Can you see it? So I do have my two hairs almost already. Okay. Now I'm going to switch color. I'm going to take the black one. And, and I'm going to make the two owl eyes. My friend, can you take your owl eyes? Looks like two O's, right? And what sounds make two O's? The owl sound, ooh, ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna make my two O's. Ooh, ooh. Up and a big black dot inside, just like this. I have my owl eyes here. Okay, now I'm gonna get, let's see, I'm gonna get the orange one and I'm gonna make the beak. To make the beak, I am going to draw a rhombus just here between the two eyes. So a beautiful rhombus. Do you remember the other name of a rhombus? A diamond. Yes. So beautiful rhombus or beautiful diamond just between my two owl eyes. Just like that. And I'm going to color it because this is what I want. Hop. Okay. Now I am going to draw the wings. So I'll take my green back. And for the wings, so I'm going to start, somewhere here. I'm going to look my beak. I'm going to go somewhere here. And I'm just going to pretend that I am going to draw a circle, but in fact I'm going to draw something like a semicircle, half of the circle, because I'm going to stay inside my owl. So here, and I make like, oh, it's not easy like this. Now I make like a half of a circle, a semicircle, something like that. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. There you go. Look at that. Looks like an owl, almost. Okay, now I'm going to make the feet. I'm taking a brown one. And I'm going to go here, down. And I'm going to draw three fingers. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And same thing here. Can you see it? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. Okay, now it's time to be creative. So, let's see. Where's the golden owl? I don't have a yellow marker for some obvious reason. It's like when you write in yellow, you can't actually see it very well. So I'm going to be creative and use another green to make the feathers. And to make the feathers, I'm gonna do like some waves, kind of upside down like this. And maybe here, I don't know, maybe some lines just like this. Something like that. To make my owl. Woohoo! And now around the eyes, I'm feeling using, well, I'm gonna use the orange again. And I am feeling making a huge flower like this. Okay, or maybe a couple of eyelashes, something like that. And I don't know, for the ears, I think I'm gonna take the light green again and add some feathers up there. Hop, hop. Doesn't have to be exactly the same, doesn't really matter. Hop, hop. Yeah? Can you see my owl? Yay! So this is one way, because there is many different ways to draw owl, but this is one way to draw a simple owl. And be creative, send me your owls. Send your owls to Mr. Taylor to say, hey, where are the golden owls? Here are my owls. So yeah, be creative. Bye, my friends. I wish you a good break, and I'll see you after the break. I already miss you. Bye bye.